Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of the same old boring salads? Do you think salads are just for rabbits? Well, think again. Today, we're going to elevate your salad game to a whole new level. We're diving deep into the world of healthy and easy salads that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling energized and satisfied. No more limp lettuce and tasteless tomatoes. We're talking about vibrant, flavorful combinations that will make you actually crave a salad. Get ready to discover some delicious recipes that are not only good for you, but also incredibly simple to make. We're talking restaurant-quality salads you can whip up in your own kitchen, even if you're a complete beginner. So put on your aprons, grab your chopping boards, and let's get started. First up, we're tackling a classic, the mighty Greek salad. This is not your average side dish, no sir. This salad is packed with vibrant flavors and fresh ingredients that will transport you straight to the Mediterranean. We're talking juicy tomatoes bursting with sunshine, crisp cucumbers, salty olives and creamy feta cheese, all tossed in a simple but delicious dressing. And let's not forget the star of the show, the humble oregano, adding a touch of earthy magic to every bite. This salad is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants and healthy fats, it's the perfect fuel to keep you going all day long. So ditch the takeout menus and let's create a Greek masterpiece together. Now, before we get started, let's talk ingredients. I want you to use the freshest, highest quality produce you can find. Remember, the quality of your ingredients will make or break your salad. Start by washing and chopping your vegetables. Cut those tomatoes into generous wedges, slice those cucumbers nice and thin, and halve those olives with precision. And for God's sake, don't even think about using those pre-chopped vegetables from the supermarket. Next, crumble your feta cheese. I want big, chunky pieces, not that pre-grated nonsense. And finally, make sure you've got some fresh oregano on hand. Dried oregano will do in a pinch, but the fresh stuff is a game changer. Remember, this is not a cooking competition, it's about creating a delicious and nutritious meal. So, take your time, enjoy the process, and let's get those ingredients prepped to perfection. Right, now for the dressing. This is where we add another layer of flavor to our Greek salad. And trust me, it's dead simple to make. In a small bowl, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of dried oregano, salt and pepper. You want a balance of tangy, salty and herbaceous flavors that will complement the fresh ingredients. Now here's a little trick. Taste your dressing as you go. Adjust the seasoning to your liking. Need a bit more acidity? Add another squeeze of lemon. Want it a touch saltier? A pinch of salt will do the trick. Remember, this is your salad, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Next up, we're ditching the lettuce and diving into a salad that's hearty, satisfying and packed with plant-based protein, the mighty quinoa salad. This isn't your average rabbit food, folks. This salad is bursting with flavor and texture thanks to the nutty quinoa, crunchy vegetables and a zesty lemon vinaigrette. It's the perfect meal for lunch, dinner or even a light and healthy snack. And the best part, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also a great source of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. So if you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to fuel your body, this salad is a winner. Let's get cooking. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about cooking quinoa. It's not rocket science, but there are a few key things to remember if you want to achieve that perfect, fluffy texture. First, rinse your quinoa under cold water for a minute or 2. This helps remove any bitter residue and ensures the quinoa cooks evenly. Then add your rinsed quinoa to a saucepan with water or broth. Use twice the amount of liquid to quinoa. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the quinoa has absorbed all the liquid and is tender. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it up with a fork and let it cool completely before adding it to your salad. Trust me, nobody wants a soggy salad. Now for the fun part, adding some serious flavour to our quinoa salad. We're talking about vibrant vegetables, fresh herbs and a zesty dressing that will make your taste buds sing. Start by dicing some colourful bell peppers. Red, yellow, green, the more the merrier. Then drain and rinse a can of black beans. These little beauties are packed with protein and fibre, adding a satisfying heartiness to our salad. Next, chop up some fresh parsley and cilantro. These herbs will add a burst of freshness and a touch of vibrancy to every bite. And for an extra layer of flavour, try adding some finely diced red onion or a handful of toasted pumpkin seeds. Right, you lot. Put down the burgers and listen up, because we're about to tackle a salad that's anything but boring. I'm talking about a kale and apple salad that's packed with flavour and good for you. Kale, yeah, that leafy green you've been avoiding, is a bloody superfood. It's loaded with vitamins K, A and C, which means it's going to give your immune system a right kick in the arse. No more sniffles for you. Now I know what you're thinking. Kale, that's rabbit food. But trust me on this one. We're going to massage the kale with a bit of olive oil and lemon juice, which will tenderize it and get rid of any bitterness. By the end of this, you'll be wondering why you haven't been cramming this superfood into everything. We're not just stopping at a measly salad. You can chuck this in your smoothies, your stir-fries, even your bloody roast. Get creative, you donkey. Now, to cut through the slight bitterness of the kale, we're adding some sweetness and crunch with apples. And no, I don't mean those mushy, flavourless things you find at the bottom of your kid's school bag. We're after crisp, juicy apples like Granny Smith's or Honey Crisps. They'll add a lovely sweetness and a bit of texture to the salad. Plus, apples are good for your heart, so you can feel good about stuffing your face with this. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, this isn't some amateur salad. To complement the apples, we're adding some toasted walnuts. The nuttiness really brings out the flavour of the apples, and they add a satisfying crunch. And for a final flourish, a sprinkle of dried cranberries. Don't even think about using those sugary processed ones. We're after the real deal, packed with flavour and antioxidants. Listen up, because this is crucial. The dressing can make or break a salad. We're not using some bottled rubbish, no way. We're making our own, and it's dead simple. A good quality olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, a touch of Dijon mustard for a bit of a kick, salt, pepper and a pinch of sugar to balance out the acidity. Whisk it all together and you've got yourself a dressing that'll make your taste buds sing. Now, don't drown the salad in dressing, you hear? We want to enhance the flavours, not mask them. Drizzle it over the top and give everything a good toss. There you have it. A kale and apple salad that's good enough to shut even the most committed carnivore up. It's fresh, it's flavourful, and it's bloody good for you. Now get in the kitchen and make it. Right, you lot. We've had some cracking salads so far, but this next one is a real game changer. Chickpeas, yeah, those little beige fellas are about to become your new best mate in the kitchen. They're packed full of protein and fibre, keeping you fuller for longer and giving your gut something to bloody smile about. This isn't some dainty salad for the faint of heart. This is proper grub that'll fuel your day. Now don't even think about using those soggy canned chickpeas straight out of the tin. Give them a good rinse under cold water, drain them properly, and pat them dry with a kitchen towel. We want them plump and ready to soak up all the delicious flavours we're about to throw at them. This is about respect for ingredients, you hear me? We're going to toss these beauties with some finely chopped red onion for a bit of bite, juicy cherry tomatoes bursting with sweetness, and a good handful of fresh parsley for that vibrant green colour and fresh herby flavour. None of that wilted, sad-looking parsley. You want it bright and lively. Now, the dressing. This is where you can really let your taste buds go wild. We're going for a simple but punchy lemon vinaigrette. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, none of that bottled rubbish, a good glug of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a touch of Dijon mustard for a bit of kick. Whisk it all together until it's emulsified and looking creamy. Don't you dare drown the salad in dressing. Start with a little drizzle and gently toss it all together. You want the chickpeas and vegetables to be coated evenly, not swimming in a pool of oil. Remember, we're going for delicious and healthy here, not a heart attack on a plate. taste as you go, you hear? Add a bit more lemon juice if it needs a bit of zing. A touch more salt if it's lacking oomph. This is your salad, so adjust it to your liking. But don't go throwing in a load of sugar or cream, that's just laziness. Once you're happy with the flavour, it's time to plate up this masterpiece. Don't just slop it onto a plate like it's yesterday's leftovers. We're going for restaurant quality presentation here. Use a nice big plate, something with a bit of colour to make the salad pop. Pile the salad in the centre of the plate, creating a bit of height. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and really work it into a nice mound. A final drizzle of that tangy lemon vinaigrette, a sprinkle of fresh parsley for garnish, and a wedge of lemon on the side for those who like an extra citrusy kick. There you have it, a chickpea salad that's not only good for you, but tastes bloody delicious. It's packed with protein, fibre and flavour, and it's sure to impress even the most discerning palate. Now go on, get stuck in. All right, you lot. Next up, we're diving into a salad that's as smooth as silk and bursting with flavour. Avocados, those creamy green gems, are the star of the show here. They're packed full of healthy fats, the kind that do your body good, not clog up your arteries. We're talking heart-healthy deliciousness here. Now, picking the right avocado is crucial. You want one that's ripe but not too soft. Give it a gentle squeeze. It should have a slight give but not feel mushy. Once you've found your perfect avocado, slice it open, remove the pit and scoop out that gorgeous green flesh. We're going for chunky slices here. None of that mashed up guacamole business. We want to see those beautiful curves and appreciate the avocado in all its glory. Arrange those slices on a plate, ready to tango with their partner in crime, the mighty tomato. Tomatoes, the unsung heroes of the salad world. They're bursting with flavour, juicy and packed with lycopene, which is good for your skin and your heart. We're using a mix of colours here, red and yellow, for a bit of visual excitement. Slice those tomatoes into wedges, about the same thickness as your avocado slices. We're going for uniformity here, people. You want each bite to be a perfect balance of creamy avocado and juicy tomato. Scatter those tomato wedges amongst the avocado slices, creating a beautiful mosaic of colour and flavour. Now, for a bit of bite, we're adding some thinly sliced red onion. Not too much, mind you, just enough to add a bit of sharpness and cut through the richness of the avocado. Sprinkle those onion slices over the top like confetti celebrating the deliciousness that's about to unfold. The dressing for this salad is a simple affair, letting the natural flavours of the avocado and tomato shine through. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lime juice for that citrusy zing, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. That's it. Gently toss the salad with the dressing, making sure everything is evenly coated. Again, we're not drowning the salad, just giving it a light kiss of flavour. Taste as you go, adjusting the seasoning to your liking. Finally, sprinkle over some crumbled feta cheese for a salty, tangy finish. A few sprigs of fresh cilantro for a pop of colour and freshness, and you're done. This avocado and tomato salad is a symphony of flavours and textures, and it's so easy to make, even you lot can't mess it up. Well, there you have it, you lucky devils. 7 stunning salads that are guaranteed to elevate your taste buds and nourish your body. From the tangy Greek salad to the creamy avocado and tomato tango, each one is packed with flavour and goodness. So ditch the takeout menus and embrace the joy of cooking with fresh, healthy ingredients. These salads are easy to make, even for the most kitchen-challenged among you. And trust me, once you taste the difference, you'll never go back to those sad, soggy supermarket salads again. Remember, cooking should be fun and delicious. So get creative, experiment with different flavours and ingredients, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, happy cooking. Outro, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Let us know in the comments which salad you're excited to try.